In this brief video, I will demonstrate how to efficiently swap Solana for USDC directly within your Metamask wallet. For this purpose, you will switch to the Solana network within your Metamask wallet. I already have my Solana wallet set up and ready to use. If you don't have one, Metamask will offer you the opportunity to create it. Next, it's essential to have Solana in your account balance because it will be needed to cover the network transaction fees and also to facilitate the direct exchange of Solana into USDC. To achieve this, you have the option to directly purchase Solana using the Buy/Sell button, or alternatively, you can transfer Solana into your wallet by utilizing the Receive button. This allows you to send Solana from another cryptocurrency wallet or from a prominent exchange platform such as Binance or Coinbase, or indeed any other platform that fully supports the Solana network. Alright, so with Solana in your wallet, we can now move on to performing the swap. I am clicking on the Swap button right now. At the very top, we have Solana already chosen. This is the asset we intend to swap, and just below it, you'll find the cryptocurrency we wish to acquire, which in this particular instance is USDC. However, you have the option to select any cryptocurrency from the provided list, or alternatively, you can utilize the search function to locate the specific token that you require. For this particular example, we will be performing a swap of Solana into USDC. I simply input the quantity of Solana that I intend to swap, then I pause for a moment and proceed to click the Submit button. After that, I click Confirm. As we can see, in the Activity tab, we have Swap SOL to USDC. The status is shown as confirmed, which means our transaction successfully went through. I'll go to the Tokens tab, and there, you can clearly see that USDC has now appeared on our balance. So, throughout this video, I have demonstrated how to swap Solana for USDC using your Metamask wallet. If you still have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment under this video.